For years I was a proud member of the 2 a.m. club, up late, mind buzzing, screen glowing. I called myself a night owl, convinced my best ideas came after midnight. But the truth? I was always tired, running on caffeine and willpower. Mornings were chaos, days a fog, and my health was suffering. There was no dramatic turning point, just the slow buildup of exhaustion and wasted days. On May 13th, 2025, I decided enough was enough. I'd read about the power of sleep, so I made a pact for 30 days I'd be in bed by 10 p.m. No excuses. The idea felt huge. 4 hours earlier than usual, my evenings were my time to unwind, binge shows, scroll endlessly. I worried I'd just lie awake, mind racing, but I was desperate for change. I set a 9:30 p.m. alarm to start winding down. Phone charging in another room, no more late-night distractions. I swapped TV for herbal tea and a book. The house was quiet, but this time, I was preparing for rest. My experiment was simple: more sleep, better life. It was time to find out. The first night was rough. Lying in bed at 10 felt unnatural. My mind wouldn't shut off. Every sound seemed louder, and sleep was nowhere to be found. I tossed and turned and watched the clock tick past 11:30. The next few nights weren't much better. My body was still on the old schedule. I'd drift into light sleep, wake up often, and mornings felt just as exhausting. The temptation to quit was strong. I questioned if this was worth it. I was more tired, irritable, and unfocused than before. But I stuck with it, reminding myself that real change takes time. Years of bad habits wouldn't disappear overnight. I kept up my wind-down routine, hoping consistency would pay off. The first 3 days were a test of willpower, not rest. I focused on the process, not immediate results. I had to trust that my body would eventually adjust. Giving up now would mean never knowing what was possible. So I pushed through the discomfort. I was determined to see what was on the other side. By day 4 or 5, things started to shift. I fell asleep faster, woke up less, and mornings felt less dreadful. I was still tired, but it was manageable. A hot shower helped. By the end of week 1, I woke up before my alarm naturally. For the first time in years, I had calm, unhurried mornings. I could enjoy tea, watch the sunrise, and plan my day in peace. The chaos was gone, replaced by control and purpose. My energy stabilized, the afternoon slump faded. I felt present, engaged, and steady all day. My body was learning the new routine, sleepy by 9:45, ready for rest. The struggle faded, replaced by a healthier pattern. Waking up early became a gift, not a chore. My well-being improved with every passing day. By week 3, the changes were remarkable. The brain fog was gone. My thoughts were sharp, focus strong. Work felt easier, problems more manageable. My mood lifted. I was calmer, more patient, and optimistic. Frustrations didn't ruin my day. I laughed more, felt more connected. I realized how much sleep deprivation had affected my emotions. My phone habits changed too. Less scrolling, more presence. Mornings weren't a mad dash, so I didn't reach for my phone first thing. Screen time dropped, replaced by reading and reflection. I felt less tethered to the digital world, more in tune with myself. Sleep's benefits went far beyond feeling rested. My mind was clearer, my mood brighter, my life less distracted. A simple bedtime shift was transforming everything. In the final week, the transformation was undeniable. My productivity soared. I got more done before lunch than I used to in a day. Decision-making was quick and confident. Mornings became my most creative, focused time. I wasn't just catching up, I was ahead, energized and enthusiastic. Physically, I recovered faster from workouts, felt stronger, and had more stamina. My body was finally getting the rest it needed to repair and rebuild. The biggest surprise? I no longer needed coffee to function. I still enjoyed it, but it was a choice, not a crutch. My energy was natural and steady. As the 30 days ended, I saw the changes: clearer skin, brighter eyes, less stress. I felt resilient, strong, and truly well. This wasn't just a new schedule, it was a new life. For anyone stuck in chronic tiredness, try it. It might just change everything.